What's up, Kurlz crew? It's your girl K Kurlz coming at you with a natural hairstyle video. Now I know it may look like I'm very well put together underneath of this lovely bun thing here, but it was a rainy day, so I improvised. I actually really have a messed up twist out under there, but that's okay because I'm going to show you how to fix. Hold on. This. So let's get right on into it. The first thing that we're going to do here is take out the twist, right? Wrong. First what we're going to do is get us some nice oil here and we're going to spray it up. So just, go crazy, girl. Because you just want to get some oil in that hair. That's all you got to do, just get a little moisture in there. Now, if you're like me and sometimes you want to go around your little edges, you can go around those edges. You want to do that with a leave-in conditioner, which I already have built in here. Because remember, you have a twist out that is fresh, that's been in for 2 days now. But it's been raining, so didn't want to mess up my twist out. Anyway, so let's get right on into this. Let's pull these out. So this is about how it looks when you're done teasing it out and picking out all the curls. And the last thing that there is to even do is to clean up those edges. So I'm going to go in with my Bella curls. I know a lot of people use gels and stuff like that for their hair, but I'm not going to use that. I am going to use this. This works wonders for me. So just slick down as much of your edges as you would like to your liking. Or just like a little swoopy there. Actually, this goes that way. Act like you know your head, girl. Goodness. Alright, and I'm not going to do too much on this side. I'm just going to kind of brush those back because you're not going to see it because it's going to the side. So, now I'm going to bring this back up here. But you see these roots? I'm going to clean that up a second with a little bit of conditioner. So just take a little bit on your hands like this, rub it together, and just, I know everybody says don't put it on the product, but, don't put the product on your scalp, but you're not putting it on your scalp. You're putting it on your hair. And you're just going to twist that back a little bit just to give it some sort of light tension. Not too much because it's your hair, girl. And just give that a little twirl just to give it a little more definition. Alright, and then I'm just gonna put everything back so that it's a poppin'. Now, if you do want yours a little bit more teased, you can go in with one of these picks and you can make it a little bit bigger. But this is pretty much the way that I like to style mine. I like it to get bigger over time. So, here is my finished product. And stay in there. Yes. Love it. Love it. I want a little bit more of my red to pop right there. Okay. I'm going to twist that in there. Now, that is how you go from that bun thing to this. So I hope you guys like it, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and look out for more videos soon coming from your girl K Kurlz. Thanks for watching.